Hi there, Johan here from a Canadian company, Appliance Service Guys. Let's go! Canadian city of Winnipeg, Roblin Park area. Replacing the water supply valve in the Whirlpool dishwasher. A day ago, I diagnosed a leak in this dishwasher and the cause turned out to be poor fastenings of the water supply hose from the valve to the water dispenser that is attached to the left side of the Whirlpool dishwasher. During diagnostics, I noted that the water supply valve is in working order and currently has no leaks, but the appearance of the water supply valve indicated that it had leaked at some point and the possibility of a leak in the future cannot be ruled out. I have given recommendations for replacing this water supply valve. The owner of the Whirlpool dishwasher decided to replace this spare part. I'm starting to replace the water supply valve for this Whirlpool dishwasher. I remove the protective strip at the bottom of the dishwasher and gain access to the water supply valve. Before dismantling the valve, I turn it off the power supply and turn it off the water supply valve to the dishwasher. The valve is attached to the front of the dishwasher with a single screw. I unscrew the mounting screw and disconnect the electrical contact. I disconnect the water supply hose and install a new water supply valve. In this Whirlpool dishwasher, I put everything back together in reverse order. I turn on the dishwasher for a wash cycle. I carefully monitor the quality of installation of the new part. Success! I screw on the bottom protective cover, dishwasher ready for use. I advise you to click the subscribe button on Events Fix Lab right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the maintenance and repair of appliances. You subscribe and like. I'm making new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.